DAITOSEIKI is Japan-based machine tool manufacturer, founded in 1959 with a portfolio of over 60 products, primarily bandsaw machine and drill machine for structural steel fabrication. We hold a dominant 60% market share in this field in Japan.
So the DCM is Daito's latest machine. 3-spindle drilling with an 8-axis plasma robot and 1 combination machine for structural fabricators. Processing flat bar, angle, channel, and of course structural beams. It's an all-in-one machine.